Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your channel eligibility and linking Merchant Center. This lets YouTube read your product feed. Once done, install the shopping extension in your browser and sign in with the same Google account. Then upload or connect your product feed, images, prices, titles, making sure thumbnails meet size requirements. Notice why. The extension overlays products directly into the Creator Studio, so correct metadata prevents mismatches. If you hit permission prompts, accept account access to enable product syncing immediately. Now you map feed fields to the extension, assign SKU to your video tag, match price fields, and confirm thumbnail links. Once mapped, set display rules, choose automatic suggestions for broad reach or manual pinning when you need precise placement. Use the extension panel to position product cards, adjust call to action text, and set start/end times. Make sure to test those settings on a private or unlisted video to verify placement, link behavior, and mobile responsiveness before you publish to the public. Finish by publishing your video or scheduling it, then confirm products appear on desktop and mobile. Monitor analytics for clicks and conversions to evaluate which items perform best, and tweak placement or descriptions as needed. If a product is missing or shows an error, resync the feed and confirm Merchant Center policy compliance. Often items are blocked for policy or price mismatches. Also clear browser cache and reauthorize the extension when links don't update. This resolves most sync and permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.